Welcome to Product Spotlight. I'm John Heiss, Director of Sports and Fitness at Herbalife and lead scientist behind our H24 product line. H24 is a comprehensive performance nutrition program designed to meet the needs of athletes 24 hours a day. One of the guiding principles of H24 is that the products fulfill highly specific needs. This philosophy is particularly apparent when it comes to our rebuild products. Recovery from different sports requires different types and amounts of nutrients. Instead of making a one-size-fits-all recovery product, we developed two highly targeted ones, Rebuild Endurance and Rebuild Strength. Rebuild Strength is a protein-rich recovery drink formulated to support lean muscle mass. The 25 grams of high-quality dairy protein make it ideal for not only weightlifters, but even those just interested in enhancing body tone. One of the hallmarks of Rebuild Strength is a specially selected blend of milk protein to create a rapid and sustained muscle building state. Combined with its efficacious amount of amino acids and micronutrients, we've made sure each serving provides 4,300 milligrams of the branched-chain amino acids leucine, valine, and isoleucine, which are crucial for helping to jumpstart muscle recovery, as well as the antioxidant vitamins C and E, B vitamins for energy metabolism, and 45% RDA of iron, which is crucial for energy metabolism and the health of your red blood cells. Now, unlike many other recovery products, Rebuild Strength contains a modest amount of carbohydrates. Research has shown that it's especially important to consume protein in the presence of carbohydrates to support lean muscle mass. Rebuild Strength has no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners, and as with all the products in the H24 line, Rebuild Strength is fully tested for banned substances, so you can have complete confidence in our product. Since it mixes great in water, it's perfect to consume within 30 minutes following any physical activity. You can try Rebuild Strength and all of our great H24 products by ordering today from an Herbalife independent distributor. Thanks for watching.